Is it bright here? Oh, ang kapal lang ang kapal lang snow. Ginusto kasi, diba? Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to Tita York's channel. Tita York from New York. Huh? Ay, sige lang.
Hold on.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tita York's channel. Kamil ako, kapal. But that's okay, that's okay. Okay, lagayan ng panahon. So for today's video, we are going to make mango margarita, but I'm gonna make it a punch because it's a lot of us there. It's a lot of us there. Wala, okay. Okay, so it's a lot of us there, so I'm making a punch. So, all right. So, first we need ice. So as you can see, we're surrounded by ice, but we know. Look at it. So ice, and then tequila. Ayan. Then after that is triple sec. Triple sec. Then fresh squeezed lime juice. Yan. And then mango juice, mango nectar. And then I'm gonna add more. Oh, is that Maddie? You think so? Hey guys, Beth is here. All right, then I'm gonna add more tequila because I feel like I wanna make them drunk tonight. Triple sec, I'm just gonna add. So basically, all the ingredients is just tequila, triple sec, and mango nectar, and lime juice, fresh squeezed lime juice. And I forgot the ukay-ukay.
Go walk back there.
The luwag. Yeah. Okay. It's clean, guys. It's all right. Okay, I can just use this.
So in this part, I didn't realize the microphone was off again because of the cold weather. So magbo-voice over na naman tayo. So in this part, I am just putting a tamarind salt in the rim of the glass. Ayan siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano pang pinagsasabi ko dyan. Basta that's what I'm doing. Then I'm just gonna try it. See if it tastes good. Tingnan mo mukha ko kahit may snowstorm. Hala, sige. Gawa ng alak. then I am just putting a grapefruit, slice of grapefruit for garnish. So ayan siya. It doesn't taste bad. Like it's not the same as you put it in the shaker, but it still tastes like mango margarita. So ayan, tinawag ko si Ate Lisa. Sabi ko, kung gusto niyong uminom, kukunin niya dyan. Ayan, ang kapal ng snow. So ayan, I think I'm just saying thank you guys for watching and see you inside because it's very tugnaw na. Ayan, sige, vlog pa more kahit malamig at snow. So ayan, salbihan ko ang aking mga friends kasi uhaw na sila. So ayan.
Kasi bukas wala ng snow. Mayroon pa na, malamis na yung buhok.
Kayo, magtaga.
So ayun, in fairness, ang sarap niya talaga din. And in couple hours naubos siya. So they asked me to make another batch, and since wala kaming juice, so I just made up whatever. Marami naman silang liquors, then may mga soda naman. So yeah, then we had a shot of Ciroc. So ayan, ang dami din nalasing. And then moonshine also. Diyos ko, doon ang tapang ng moonshine. So thank you guys for watching.